All right, we're gonna continue up the pipeline a little ways. It's gonna get a little chunky, a little monkey, and yeah, we'll just play with some stuff today. So here we go. On that front wheel. Yeah, you really got to press that brake down. Friggin' tractor, man. Eats it up. Coming up. The 101 to getting better. Do shit that makes you uncomfortable, makes you a better rider. scary, but a little bit of weight transfer on the bike and up it no problem. Keep on the gas, don't fucking freak out. Let's just fucking try this. Try a harder line there. This bike has two words that are going for. It's called confidence inspiring. Yeah, it's heavy, but it's well balanced. It's got easy to control power, and it's really forgiving. You can jump it, not very high. It is probably, in my book, the perfect trail bike for, you know, beginner to expert, and if you're probably 6 feet taller. And like me, it weigh over 215 pounds. Alright, see how this goes. Woo! Crawl up. Easy, man. That was what, third gear? Rolls up it. Try to find that single track real quick, see if it's even here. Honestly, it's been so long since we've been on that trail. This might just be a game trail. Yeah, nothing there. I hate losing trails. Found it. We're gonna go for it real quick. Been a minute. We're on a heavy trail bike, on some single track. See how this goes. Pick up the front tire very easy. Definitely not like the gas or the CRF. But man, that fucking pipe sounds good. Front tire too. by sides. Hope not. What do you enjoy? Man, healthy choice today after that rain. Phew. Yeah, it's really hardly see it now. There it is. No, I'm not hitting that jump. Try to rail these turns though. I'm in third gear, by the way, this whole time. I think I'm in third gear. Let's see. Nope, I was in second gear. That's second. That's fine. Second's fine for this. We're going 24 miles an hour. 30. Oh, it does that. Alright, I think that's as far as I want to go today. Just because I'm getting tired and a little warm, but man, this DRZ does just fine. We're gonna try that step up eventually down over that way, but yeah, it's getting warm, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Try to go a little bit faster on the way back, maybe. Press our luck. You know, it's kind of funny, when I was doing that beta demo the other day and test rode the 390 and the 430. I mean, I feel like the DRZ with the airbox mod and with the full exhaust system, it feels more like the 390. It's got that weight, you know, the DRZ has that weight, but I don't feel it when I'm riding it. I will when I have to pick it up. But man, it's for an $8,000 bike versus a $14,000 bike. I picked this bike. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this bike up more. Have fun shit, man. Buddy! Ooh, god damn it. Definitely don't want to run you over. Alright, we're coming back. It's cool out. It's like 105 freaking degrees right now. I don't usually like riding on the street. You guys who have stuck with me since the day one video of the DRZ, you know why. Take it nice and easy. People are blind, motorcycle riders, even if you're doing all the right things. So you have to be super defensive, especially out here in Arizona. And you got a bunch of weirdos out here too that are fucking drunk all the time, drugs. back there. It's actually where I started riding. After that spot behind Walmart. These ones have a couple more interesting hills, which you can probably see a little bit, but it's actually a trail that goes up to the top of Daisy Mountain. I know a couple crazy people that have ridden their dirt bikes up that trail the hard way up and the easy way down, but I mean, Arizona, I feel like we have the hardest, best hardcore enduro guys out here, and I kind of like, just want to see what's over. All this is new. These houses have been here since I moved here when I was in, you know, back in 2016. But all this shit down here is new. Let's go take a look. These homes are probably, you know, in that $700,000, $800,000 range. That dude has 2 Rivians and a Tesla. Yeah. Always curious what people do to afford that kind of stuff. Fancy, fancy houses. This all used to be desert. I wonder if we can ride up to where I used to live. Oh boy, maybe. Yeah, it's crazy the amount of development we have going on up here. Some nice houses too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that one right straight ahead is my old house. I didn't own it, I rented it. It might have been that third house actually right there, but boy, that's really crazy. Because yeah, this used to be able to just walk out here and this was the desert. There's Daisy Mountain, great hiking spot. But yeah, we used to be able to come out our backyard and right to Daisy Mountain. I also had these pretty cool neighbors that had a couple of dirt bikes and their kids would come out in the back, you know, here and rip around. I'm pretty sure it's state trust land, so it should be legal. I don't know if it's legal anymore, but yeah, that's crazy. These are all houses now. Feel kind of bad for the yotes and the burros. Their space is getting taken up by us humans. But what can you do? I did really miss living over on this side because it was a gated community. It was quiet. Our neighbors were kind of dicks, but they were all old and didn't ride motorcycles. So yeah, all right, let's continue on.